Another deadly dog attack. Why neighbors in East Harris County say they are not surprised about this vicious attack.
It's been 5 years, but some Houstonians are still trying to pick up the pieces Hurricane Harvey left behind. We have their stories.
The Justice Department releases the highly anticipated search warrant that led to the FBI raid at former President Trump's home. We're going to tell you, we'll help you read between the black lines that you see there that seems to be hiding a lot.
And roads out there are wet yet again. We are also monitoring some flood advisories at this hour. Let's check in now with meteorologist Alita Loresca.
ABC13 Eyewitness News starts now.
Yes, indeed. We are tracking another round of some heavy rain and thunderstorms. And as Gina mentioned, we've got 3 flood advisories and also a flash flood warning that was issued by the National Weather Service about 3:33 this afternoon. Let's first show you the pattern. We've got showers and thunderstorms that are actually beginning to fizzle out at this point. The flood advisories that are intact are out toward Brazoria County, portions of Galveston, as well as Chambers County. The one over Chambers County should be letting up over the next 30 to 45 minutes. And now that the rain has started to die down, that's going to allow the roads to basically those waters to recede. This is the flash flood warning that's still in effect through about 4:30. Our friends in Galveston County, this is primarily around the southern part of League City, and our friends watching us in Dickinson along FM 517 road there and I-45. Law enforcement reported some flash flooding that was ongoing because of the heavy downpours that crossed the area over the last couple of hours, picking up anywhere between 3 to 4 inches in a brief amount of time. There's a Kroger around that area, and apparently there are some impassable roads, also some of the feeder roads in and around that area. So please be careful. If that's where your travels are taking you this evening, you probably want to find an alternate route. Meanwhile, you can see where some of the heaviest of rains have fallen this afternoon have been along our coastal communities. Brazoria, Galveston County, you're getting the lion's share of this rain. Actually, not too far from Rocheron. That's where our game of the week is. There's been some rain over the last few hours. It does look like those rain showers are starting to let up. Still some heavy downpours around Bay City, but notice the thunderstorms that intensified about an hour ago are slowly starting to diminish, and that will be our trend as we continue through the evening hours. So those rainfall totals anywhere between 2 to 3 inches just to the north of Bay City. Not much going on north of town. So if you've got some outdoor plans heading to Friday Night Lights, we've got game 1. I think the majority of you should stay mostly dry, but it is steamy out there, so be prepared for that. Temperature readings are expected to drop off as our rain chances, and then get ready. This weekend we've got a repeat performance. I'll have those details for you coming up.
All right. Thank you, Alita. Well, very little is known about a man who was presumably mauled to death by dogs, one or more of them in East Harris County last night or perhaps this morning.
And the issue of dogs